Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today let us we will discuss about some problems from exercise 7.4. My dear student, your question is Ella read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages and Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Who read less? In this question, first we will discuss about fractional part of pages read by Ella is 25 upon 100. Fractional part of pages read by Ella is 25 upon 100. Now let us we will discuss about simplest form of 25 upon 100. Now as you are looking 5 5 ja 25 and 25 ja 100. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. Simplest form of 25 upon 100 is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is simplest form of 25 upon 100. The meaning is fractional part of pages read by Ella is 25 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. Then after fractional part of pages read by Lalita is 2 upon 5. My dear student, in this question then we will compare between Ella and Lalita. We will do compare between Ella and Lalita. 1 upon 4 pages read by Ella and 2 upon 5 pages of read by Lalita. Then after what we will do? By cross multiplication, as you are looking 1 multiplied by 5 and 2 multiplied by 4. After cross multiplication 5 1 ja 5 and 2 4 ja 8. The meaning is 5 is less than 8. Therefore 5 belongs to Ella, 5 belongs to Ella and 8 belongs to Lalita and 5 is less than 8. The meaning is 5 belongs to Ella means 5 belongs to 1 upon 4 and 8 belongs to 2 upon 5. Therefore 5 is less than 8. The meaning is 1 upon 4 is less than 2 upon 5. The meaning is Ella has read less pages. Your required answer is Ella has read less pages of the book. Okay. My dear student, your next question is, now look here, Rafiq exercise for 3 upon 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercise for 3 upon 4 of an hour. Who exercise for a longer time? Who exercise for a longer time? In this question we will apply the same procedure. In this question we will compare between Rafiq and Rohit. In this question we will do compare between Rafiq and Rohit. Now look here, Rafiq exercise 3 upon 6 and Rohit exercise 3 upon 4. It is the fractional part of Rafiq. 3 upon 6 is fractional part of Rafiq and 3 upon 4 fractional part of Rohit. Then after cross multiplication we will get, now look here, 3 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 6. 3 4 ja 12 3 6 are 18. The meaning is 12 belongs to 3 upon 6, 12 belongs to 3 upon 6 and 18 belongs to 3 upon 4. As you are looking, after cross multiplication 12 is less than 18. The meaning is 3 upon 6 is less than 3 upon 4. 3 upon 6 is less than 3 upon 4. Therefore, your question is who exercise for a longer time? So, your answer is Rohit exercise for a longer time. Rohit exercise for a longer time. Okay. My dear student, your question number 10 is, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. Question number 10 is, in a class A of 25 students, 20 pass with 60% or more marks. In another class B of 30 students, 24 pass with 60% or more marks. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting with 60% or more marks? So my dear student, all these questions depend on the same procedure. In this question there are two classes, class A and class B. So in this question we will take out the fractional part of the students. Now look here. Fractional part of student in class A getting with 60% or more marks is 20 upon 25. 20 upon 25. And fractional part of students in class B getting with 60% or more marks is 24 upon 30. This is class A and this is class B. Fractional part of class A is 20 upon 25. Fractional part of class B is 24 upon 30. Now in between these two classes we will do compare. How? Look here. We will apply by cross multiplication method. 20 multiplied by 30 and 24 multiplied by 25. 20 into 30, it will give to you 600. 24 into 25, it will give to you 600. The meaning is both numbers are equal. Both numbers are equal. Therefore 20 upon 25 is equal to 24 upon 30. It will give to you 4 upon 5. How? Now look here. 20 upon 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. 4 upon 5 is simplest form of 20 upon 25 and simplest form of 24 upon 30 is 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30. It will give to you 4 upon 5. So my dear student, your answer is same fraction, that is 4 upon 5. Same fraction, that is 4 upon 5 of student got first class in both the classes. Okay, my dear student, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.